Welcome to Sherwood Buick GMC. Today we're going to be taking a look at this pre-owned 2019 Ford F-350 Platinum Ultimate equipped with the FX4 off-road package. On the front end of the vehicle we have our 3-in protective film as well as our full LED headlights. Under the hood sits a 6.7 liter PowerStroke turbo diesel engine that produces 450 horsepower and 935 foot-pounds of torque. Also equipped is an aftermarket 4-inch lift kit as well as 22-inch fuel wheels with 35-inch tires. We also have our heated power folding and extending tow mirrors with blind spot alert and keyless entry. This F-350 is also equipped with power running boards. Moving to the back of the vehicle we have our park assist sensors as well as our powered tailgate and tonneau cover. This F-350 has a towing capacity up to 18,000 pounds. Moving to the inside of the vehicle we have a memory driver's seat as well as our automatic headlight controls with the automatic high beams. This F-350 is equipped with a panoramic sunroof and heated and cooled power adjustable leather seats, as well as OEM all-weather floor mats. We also have a heated steering wheel, forward collision alert with brake support, adaptive cruise control, and Bluetooth connectivity that allows for hands-free calling. Also equipped is push-button start, and a Bang Olufsen sound system. A touchscreen display shows the vehicle's navigation system, SiriusXM radio, and 360-degree backup camera. Equipped for comfort are dual-zone climate controls as well as lane keep assist. And on the vehicle's key fob we have our remote start and entry buttons. And finally moving to the back of the vehicle we have our heated 60/40 split folding rear bench seat